In this video, how to find out the rate of interest from two consecutive compounded interest amount. We can use the formula the rate of interest are equal to the ratio between difference of interest amounts and first year interest amount into 100. A2 minus A1 divided by A1 into 100, where A1 is the first year compounded interest amount, which is $25. A2 be the second year compounded interest amount, which is $27. These are all the values sub in the formula. We get 27 minus 25 divided by 25 into 100. Minimize these all values. We get 2 times of 4, 8. Therefore, the rate of interest is 8%.